Welcome to Bunny Stories book. Today's story is about a cute puppy who lost his way back to home. There was snow and everywhere the same scenery, no way to go out from this harsh place. Then what happened? Let's see. Deeper, I thought. There is something here. Planted my paws on the icy snow. My nose rubbed against the slippery surface as I pulled out a toy squirrel. I cannot wait till it is spring. That's when the real squirrels come out. And then I catch them. And tease them. Suddenly I saw a girl walk by with another Jew right beside her. She waved to me. I just stared at her. The girl gave the Jew a hug and rubbed behind its ears. Then she continued walking. All I could think about was the dog and the girl. What would it be like to have home? I walked around in circles whimpering. I was alone. I tried to make myself feel better by spying on the squirrels that lived in that tree, but it didn't work. It was time for me to go find a home, and I had to find a family. But who? I guess I will know when I finally get to see them. After a long day of spying a squirrel and playing in the snow, I was tired. I plopped down on the white snow breaking through. Woof! I spoke. I tried climbing out of the hole, but it was too slippery and deep. Tim, nobody else lives around here and there is no caller. She is alone. You are right, Tim replied. We have to take her home. It is not safe for a puppy to stay out here all on her own. Jen looked back at me and smiles. Let's call her Abby, they said together. This family is the best thing that has ever happened to me. I still chase squirrels, play in the snow, and now I play fetch. It is like a fun game when someone throws a stick and then you have to get it. You should try it. We had an amazing Christmas. I got a nutcracker and reindeer antlers. I even got a candy cane and a giant bone to chew on. Above all, I know that some dogs have been neglected or abandoned. But I know that in my heart, that this is a family that will last forever. Woof!